I'm perfecting an invention to change the human fate. A masterpiece of art and vision, science up to date. I shape tomorrow's world, I'm called a breakthrough pioneer. I'm a professional toilet innovation engineer. Hey! The coming months are fully packed, my calendar is tight. Sealing all big deals on the corporate throne of might. With my plans, all competition is just going down the drain. My dear diary, let's start to pop champagne. To top it, I found oysters on the supermarket shelf, not knowing that were vibrios, they're partying themselves. Dance with their flagellas in the mild salinity, while their cholera toxin liquefied my dignity. Got feelings running wild and free. They say to trust your gut, but mine embraced wild anarchy. Got feelings, got graffitis on the wall. Got a feeling, my gut feelings are not feeling good at all. Spotlight's coming near. Tomorrow's meeting, it might change my career. So I only ate white rice, but who could have foreseen that if not stored in the fridge, it's full of serious toxins. Had to run out of the meeting just before it had begun, 'cause I also got adenovirus 4041. So I had to move the meeting. Was my gut that made this call? Oh my God, I can't believe there it goes, my rise and fall. Got feelings running wild and free. They say listen to your gut, but mine plays wild cacophony. Got feelings, now go full aerosol. Got a feeling my gut feelings are not feeling good at all. Between sick days and my meetings, there is no time to delay. Meet my fiance's parents, today is a big day. I cooked with passion, cooked with love, but I might have overlooked that when we feasted on the chicken, it was still quite undercooked. Campylobacter, and I vowed no more raw chicken on my fork. Till the next week, your seances taught me the same goes for the pork. Staph aureus broke me with mayonnaise that was gone bad and green. I really thought it's guacamole, I'm not enterotoxin. Feelings running wild and free. I really thought that meat looked tasty, but my gut did not agree. Feeling, I've got graffitis on the wall. Got a feeling, my gut feelings are not feeling good at all. Screw the diet, eggs and shrimp at the next cocktail party snack. Salmonella and Shigella plotting behind and inside my back. Pick my niece up from her daycare for my sister that called me a savior, but it was Rota, Sapo, Astrovirus to not return the favor. Oh, my future looked all bright and my career, it was all set. Now I'm sitting on the toilet and I'm breaking quite the sweat. The throne of glory, it was mine, I surely would have bet. But the throne I'm on since days now seems the best that I will get. Mom fried me some burgers that were still bleeding inside. And so was I when that E-hack took my guts out for a ride. I asked for meds, but mommy said, no, not for this, oh God forbid. Was it mommy or the husk that made me feel back like a kid? When I listen to my gut, it keeps responding with a roar. Instead of sealing deals, I only seal the bathroom door. Cyclospora and Tamaba, 'cause I giardiasis, even there was quite too much. Then I got cryptosporidium from swimming in a lake. And of course I swiftly realized the trip was a mistake. Feelings running wild and free. They say listen to your gut, but mine's a grotesque symphony. Feelings, mine have caused my fall. Got a feeling my gut feelings are not feeling good at all. Every misstep, every fail, and every gut-wrenching fight